Oh my fucking god, we actually fell off. But it's okay. But it's okay. Don't
Dude, are
worry.
you okay?
Fuck no! Kill Trailblazer, just fucking kill it. Dude, no, but Trailblazer has so many memories. Bitch, just do it. Oh, okay, okay. Do you want us to start like this? Okay? Yeah. I'm gonna kill your fucking camp. Okay. Okay, so now how do I cancel this shit?
No, I'll have to force
Ladies
completely.
and gentlemen, welcome to the Trailblazer 10 ceremony. And here are mighty contestants. Fishbag. Hi. Raxty. That's a fucking shit. Okay. I need to tell everyone that you're 15 and you're in a relationship with me, a person of like 19 years old, okay? I fucking guess. Moving on to the next tribe, Rosebush. I'm a minor and he likes me. What? He can do that! I'm gonna kill him! Good job, fellas. You did a great job today. Trailblazer is ended for good. Feli?